The Soviet Union's final president, Mikhail Gorbachev, passed away on August 30th at the age of 91. Gorbachev made a significant contribution to the end of the Cold War between the Soviet Union and the United States as the final, supreme leader of the Soviet Union. He was a politician who oversaw the Soviet Union's opening and reform in order to address the economic issues facing the nation. Let's explore Gorbachev's life today to learn more about the development and history of the world. Gorbachev's life. Gorbachev was born in 1931 in southern Russia. His parents were farmers, and he also helped his parents to work a combine while studying to make a living. In 1950, when Gorbachev was still a young man, he enrolled at Moscow State University's law school, where he joined the Communist Party of the Soviet Union and rose to the position of official in Stavropol, his hometown. He was then promoted to the Central Party in recognition of his skills, and in 1971 he was elected to the Central Committee of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union. Then, in March 1985, he took over as the Soviet Union's youngest leader. Gorbachev's achievements, reform and opening, and the end of the Cold War. When Gorbachev assumed the position of supreme leader of the Soviet Union, he suggested perestroika, reform, and glasnost, openness, to stand side by side with the United States, with whom the Soviet Union was in competition for the global regime. He changed it so that Soviet factory managers could make decisions independently rather than adhering to the party's directives, and opened the first market in the capital, Moscow. Gorbachev also implemented democratic policies, allowing freedom of speech and religion. And in 1989, he officially declared the end of the Cold War at the Malta summit between the US and the Soviet Union. For this reason, the United States and Europe deemed Gorbachev a reformer who could end the Cold War and awarded him the Nobel Peace Prize. The collapse of the USSR and evaluation of Gorbachev. However, the end of the Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union weakened the Soviet power. On December 25, 1991, the Soviet Union officially collapsed, and Gorbachev resigned as president. The next day, on the 26th, a communist and socialist country of the Soviet Union became Russia overnight. On the other hand, some criticized Gorbachev, who left the outstanding achievement of ending the Cold War regime. For example, he ended the Cold War and contributed to democratization, but the Russian people disregard him for destroying the Soviet Union, which once was a mighty nation. As such, Gorbachev was in the middle of world history with an ambivalent reputation amid turbulent times.